Hi there and welcome to Deal. Congratulations on your new role, and we're happy to have you on board as an EOR in South Korea. We know that you may have some questions as you onboard with us, so in this short video, we will be going through some country-specific information such as national health insurance, residence certificate, and expense reimbursement. Firstly, let's talk about National Health Insurance Service, also known as NHIS. NHIS is mandatory for all employees and it ensures that you have access to healthcare services. Here are a few key points to remember. NHIS registration takes place on the 15th of every month. It's essential to complete your registration within the given time frame to ensure that you're covered by the insurance. If you have dependents, such as a spouse or children, please make sure to provide the family certificate. This information is necessary to include them under your NHIS coverage. Additionally, we kindly request you to upload the family certificate with unmasked ID number. This will help us verify the dependents you've mentioned. Now, let's talk about the additional requirements for foreign employees. If you're married, you'll need to provide a translated and notarized marriage certificate in Korean. This is necessary to ensure proper documentation and compliance with local regulations. Similarly, if you have children, please provide a translated and notarized birth certificate in Korean. It is important that translation and notarization is done within 3 months from the submission date. Now, we arrive to residence certificates. It is important to upload the right document for this compliance document required. For locals, please upload the residence certificate, also known as 주민등록표 등본. For foreigners, their certificate of alien registration or 외국인 등록 사실 증명. If you upload your ID in this document, it will get rejected. Now, let's move on to the last topic, which is expense reimbursement. This is an important part of our company's policy. This is after the onboarding, but we want to ensure that you are properly reimbursed for any work-related expense you incur. Here's what you need to know. To ensure smooth processing of your reimbursement requests, it is crucial to include supporting documents for your expenses. These documents help us verify the legitimacy of the expenses and comply with our financial regulations, so please remember to keep all receipts and supporting documents. First, we need the tax invoice and zero tax invoice, known as 세금 계산서 in Korean. These documents provide details of the transaction, including the amount paid and the taxes involved. Make sure to obtain these invoices from the vendors for all eligible expenses. Next, we require the debit credit sales slips, also known as 신용카드 매출 잔표 in Korean, for any expenses using a card. These slips serve as a proof of payment and help us reconcile the transactions. Lastly, for expenses paid in cash, please provide the cash receipt or 현금 영수증 in Korean. Cash receipts serve as the evidence of the transactions and are essential for proper record keeping. Glad you've made it to the end of the video. Thanks for your attention, and now we hope that you have a clear picture of how to smoothly navigate through your onboarding.